Namaste, my name is Rishi. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23IS042. I am studying in section ICHR in second semester from SVCE. The today's topic is sound and temperature control in buildings from the subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. Sound and temperature control in buildings. Ensuring optimal sound and temperature control is crucial for creating comfortable and energy efficient buildings. From insulation to HVAC systems, various techniques are employed to manage acoustic environments and regulate indoor temperatures. Importance of sound control. Acoustic comfort. Proper sound control enhances occupant comfort by reducing noise levels and providing a peaceful environment. Privacy and confidentiality. Soundproofing measures help maintain privacy and confidentiality, particularly in sensitive places like healthcare facilities and office buildings. Productivity and well-being. Minimizing distracting sounds can improve focus, concentration, and well-being. Principles of sound control. Absorption, isolation, damping. Absorption. Sound absorbing materials such as acoustic panels helps reduce echo and reverberation within a space. Isolation. Isolating sound sources like mechanical equipment prevents the transmission of noise to adjacent areas. Damping. Damping techniques includes mass spring damper systems minimize the vibration and resonance of building materials. Techniques for sound control. Insulation, soundproofing, acoustic design. First one, the insulation. Thermal and acoustic insulation materials such as fiberglass or mineral wool provide sound absorption and block airborne noise. Soundproofing. Specialized materials like mass-loaded vinyl and acoustic sealants create a barrier to prevent sound transmission. Acoustic design. Architecture elements such as sound absorbing ceilings and placed sound reflecting surfaces can enhance acoustics. Importance of temperature control. Thermal comfort. Maintaining optimal indoor temperatures ensures occupant comfort and well-being, leading to increased productivity and satisfaction. Energy efficiency. Effective temperature control strategies can significantly reduce the building's energy consumption and associated costs. Environmentally sustainability. Energy efficient temperature control measures helps minimize a building's carbon footprint and environmental impact. Process optimization. Precise temperature regulation is critical for various industries and commercial applications such as manufacturing and data centers. Factors affecting building temperature, climate, building design, and occupancy. In climate, the local climate, including factors like temperature, humidity, and solar radiation, significantly influences building's thermal performance. Building design. Architectural design elements such as orientation, window placement, and insulation affect a building's thermal dynamics. Occupancy. The number of occupants, their activities, and their energy usage patterns can impact a building's overall temperature. Strategies for temperature control. HVAC systems. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning is known as HVAC system. This system actively regulate indoor temperature through mechanically means passive cooling. Design strategies like natural ventilation, shading, and thermal mass helps reduce the reliance on active HVAC systems. Energy efficient design. Incorporating energy design, efficient building materials, insulation, and smart technologies can optimize buildings' thermal performance. Integrated sound and temperature control. Acoustic comfort. Integrating sound and temperature control ensures a comfortable and productive indoor environment. Energy efficient, optimizing both acoustic and thermal performance can lead to significant energy savings. Environmental sustainability. Holistic building design that addresses sound and temperature control promotes long-term sustainability. Integrated systems. Coordinating sound and temperature control strategies can enhance overall building performance. Thank you. Please you make sure hit the like button and also share and subscribe.